Okay, hello ho ho and welcome to another live stream. Yeah, I'm already feeling sleepy because I start really early today, but I will just drink a few more coffees because coffee is the kind of, how do you call it, every man's health, not every man's health, but yeah, kind of healing potion for everything. So yeah. But again, if you have any questions regarding anything I will do today, please write it down in the chat or write it down anywhere else. But you should write it down, maybe comments. And yeah, if you don't have any questions, you can make suggestions, leave feedback, anything else. I will do a few coffee breaks between coding. I will explain my code. I can add background music if you want, anything you want. Just tell me and I try to do it. Okay, so let's head to coding. And hello to the one who joined. Yeah, I'm doing some pygame. I already died. This is what I showed a friend lately. So yeah, this is a stream. I will close that. And yeah, now let me implement a boss room. Main. Let's say if let's say stage. I have an idea. Player related and self point act. Self point act equals 0. Now back to main, and if not self point act how can I do that? Let me do the if conditions. Yeah, we wanna implement simply a little, yeah, you can't tell it pygame. You would, oh, it is pygame, but we want simply implement a little boss room like if not. While running, if player 1 point act player point level equals 5. And not player point act player 1 point act plus plus, or not plus equals 1. If player point act if player 1 point act, let me guess the logical stuff. So yeah. We just do that. Studios. Oh, 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, what was my intention now? Let me have a little guess. So Yeah, hello to the one who joined. I'm trying to implement a boss room. If not player act. So if player point act or if not point player, if not player point act, if player 1 point level is greater 5, player 1 point act equals 1. Let's do this with indentation, just it's more to visualize it a little bit more. And yes, so if not player act, else player point act, player 1 point act equals 0. Let's try if this one works. Yeah, it works. We got an orange room with easy enemies. Here we go. Now we got the kind of trippy one. The trippy level. Yeah, I'm just testing if I get to level 5, if I will get the additional boss room. So yeah, we created our first boss. We just attack. So I want to get to level 5. Some cubes. Again. Should be pretty easy to get to level. Okay, we are at level 4. Now we get a new enemy type, of course, the star ones. One second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, just little star ones here. Now we should get a new boss room. Let me see. Oh, we didn't. Maybe we need to finish this level. This trippy one again. Ah, here we go. Now we got the boss. I'm really curious if we can defeat him. Yes, we can. We defeated our first boss. Now, perfect. Yeah, for further tests. Oh, and again we have the boss. Yeah, the level shouldn't repeat itself. We need to fix that. Bam. Okay, so this needs to be fixed. So yeah, let's fix it. I have to admit I'm feeling kind of sleepy, but yeah, shouldn't keep me from coding. So what I need to fix exactly is that Yeah, he still breaks after, yeah, you can say after finishing the boss. At the moment that doesn't happen. And yeah, so I have to get, I guess, in the level generator function here. Here we go. Modify. And yeah. Level generator break. So we have the first while running. Then yeah. We need to get back to the first level, first floor, whatever you wanna call it. And for that, let's see how we can handle this. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Now. If player point dead, return. Break. And return. See if this works now. I have to do the level again, but no one is watching, so let me do a little, let me kind of speedrun it. Maybe I should increase the numbers of enemies spawning. Okay, here we go. Only got one enemy, but they give a little bit more HP. Finally heading to level 3, but we still need to reach level 5 for the boss room. Here we got the larger enemy type, but only one of them. Still wanna do new enemy types, like werblobs. Yeah, these ones are cool. I like these red ones, these red discs. We're pretty fast. Okay, now we are at level 6. So yeah, we get to the boss room. Now let's kill this boss. Okay, we killed him. Let's try to change. Oh, we still get the boss room, don't we? Okay, we can't even escape it. So, still doesn't work as intended. Let me see how we could maybe fix that. So if player, yeah. Should return. But he doesn't, so. Ah, maybe. Main. Ah, okay. How can I do that? And not player point act. If player point act doesn't equal 1, and now it should work if I didn't made a bad mistake. Let's try it out. So next level, level 3. Even gets a starfish. Or is it a starfish? We call it a starfish. And we had it level 4. Yeah, a lot of typing. But these little disks, who are kind of dangerous, will make it even easier to reach level 5. Okay, I'm still level 5. Oh, I guess I need to be greater than level 5. Let's try this. Here we go, so level boss room. Now let's leave the level. Yes, no. Don't get that. Maybe I never will. Okay. Still doesn't work the way it was intended. What a shame. How can I fix this issue? And hello to the viewer who joined. We're doing some pygame. Feel free to ask any suggestions, or I can also do Matplotlib, and I should do a poll. What do you want me to do? Having multiple options like Matplotlib, Pandas. Another option should be Numpy. Another option should be pygame. So feel free to vote, and I will still try to implement the program. Equals 0. So where do I not player acts? So again, let's see now. Now it should be working. I'm pretty sure it works now. Still is kind of annoying that I have to kill this many enemies to get to the actual boss room. But yeah, should be there any second. Already level 3. And shouldn't be that hard now. Let's head to level 3. Here we go. Oh, and here we get the cool new enemy type, which are the stars. And yeah, now we can even head to the next level. Oh, and they are pretty. Now we get the scary ones. And headed to level 5. Perfect. Even reaching level 7 and getting the boss room. Perfect. So yeah, so here we go. Now we are back in the normal leveling process. Perfect. Okay. Now, what can we implement next? Maybe someone voted? No, no one voted. Okay. Then let me have a quick look at something else. One second, 2 seconds. No one joined. Doesn't matter, I'm having fun. A little bit. Hello, ho, 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 to the one who joined. How are you? Hopefully feeling good. yeah, doing some pygame, but feel free to make any suggestions. And yeah, so now after implementing the boss room, we can now let's also do something like where's the main function here. That's greater than 1. Well, let's say greater than 0 because now we want to get directly into the boss room. And yes, wanna kind of level generator, yeah. Generate boss room. Empty boss room, not that empty, but let me think. What can we add? Obstacle list ops. Equals Python point, or not Python, pygame. Pygame point. What do we have? Rectangle. We can also have color cursor. Can we have Let me think of something, and hello to the next one who joined, doing some pygame, but feel free to make any suggestions, write anything in the chat regarding what I could do next. And yeah, I'm open for feedback and anything else, so yeah. Okay, pygame point, not rectangle, but circle, shape, point, rectangle, buffer arrow, okay, let me think. Cycle and pygame. How again was it done? Pygame point was circle. Pygame circle. Circle. First the x and the y axis, which is what do our rectangle. No, not like that. Maybe I should grab myself a cup of coffee. Maybe this would help. Or maybe not. I always need coffee to even kind of exist. And yeah. Maybe I should grab some because I'm totally sleepy. And no one is watching at the moment. Yeah, we'll get some coffee. %100% sleepy. So I could do some Matplotlib. I will learn more regarding Matplotlib. Maybe it will be fitting for the next tutorial. So yeah, where do I have it? Matplotlib for stream basic stuff. Close other tabs. One. Yeah, this is some stuff for the perfect. Okay. I will have a quick coffee, be right back. Okay, hello, I'm back. Hello to the one who joined. Trying to do some... Yeah, pygame would be too much. And my chart even evolved. Now I'm asking myself what I could cover today. Maybe it shall be... Matplotlib. Let me see. Matplotlib. CMap. Because I want to get into CMap, so I can show you. So yeah. What was again endpoint p-point line space? Print and p-point line space. I knew what it was. Import numpy smp. Print p-point line space. Line space. Which should be, yeah, d-type, of course, you always work with d-type. And line space. I guess I know it. 0, 100, 2. It's one basic stuff. But he doesn't want it. One basic stuff. Keyboard interrupt. Oh, I got the wrong console. Okay, what? Get it. D-type equals D-type equals and p-point integer. Not float. Where is the integer? Why am I not able to use them? Float. I don't want float. GI. Okay, it is completely written in lowercase, but yeah, this is pretty simple. Okay, now we have a simple array. We can do stuff with a simple array. And you should do stuff with a simple array. Because doing stuff is what you do with a simple array. Because doing stuff is important with a simple array. Because we all like simple arrays. Do we like simple arrays? Simple arrays are simple. I'm kind of just talking random stuff because I'm kind of thinking what I could do next. Yeah, but we want to near the CMaps, which is pretty complex topic, I have to admit, but that shouldn't keep me from trying it. Okay. Okay, today I get no views. Maybe I should do something about that. Like, yeah. Okay. Sorry that I'm so quiet now. Still waiting for people to join. And hello to the one who joined, by the way. Okay. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, you can write anything down what I could cover now. We can do a live tutorial. And yeah. Just tell me everything I could cover, I will cover it. So yeah, I want to import, like always, Matplotlib as point pyplot as plt, and plt point show is important. Show, and yeah. What can we do? We can now try to plot it. Plt point plot this one. If we run it, we will get a simple graph like this. Pretty easy. But this is kind of the basic stuff regarding Matplotlib. Should do it more like this so you can see everything, not anything, everything. This should be deleted. No, not in this way, but in, yeah, kind of closing the program. And yeah, what could we do next? Can change the color, of course. plt.plot color equals green. Yeah, now we got simply a green plot. But what we are gonna do, we want to use a theme map. So how could we do this? How can I do a CMap? This is not that simple. Okay, let me do something else. Do something like, is this possible that we get an onion like 100, 100, 100? Is this possible? No. But how can we do red, green, red? Let me see, and hello to the next one who joined, doing some Matplotlib, trying to plot different things, and I wanna do a kind of color map. So yeah, feel free to join me or do any suggestions. I'm free to post anything. Yeah, write it down in the chat. And for now, color map, Matplotlib. How can we do it sequential? Red, green, blue. Matplotlib. Okay, as a tuple. So yeah, of course as a tuple, but he wants 0.1, 0.3, 4, 0.6. He wanted in this format. Yeah, now we get kind of this format. Sounds lazy, but I mean, and yeah, you should be able to see it. 1 second. This one. So what can we do? We again can do something like np map equals np point line space, and yeah, 0, 100 and 100 and 1. So yeah, we want different colors. Color map equals zero, zero, zero plus I divided to 100 for I in range 101. Of course, with brackets like this and this. By the way, did I get any new votes? No, no votes. Feel free to vote, by the way. Can make any kind of vote. So again, and you should be able to see this. I'm sorry. Okay, now if we have a CMap like this, color map, does this work? No. Line for value error. Okay, so maybe you use a CMap. Ah, okay. Oh no, why not? This won't work. Okay, we got an exception. But I will solve this today. I'm pretty eager to solve this today. Nothing else to do. So let's, solve this. Okay. We have a CMap. We have start, stop, dtype. Map. Let's say map. Okay. On two. Let's try this first. Green, red. Because usually let's try this. Okay, how can I do that with multiple colors? How can we do that? Maybe we should do it like PLT point plot one more 0 3 and oh, now we have a color map. Oh no, it's not an argument. Color equals green, and I'm messing it up. So what is the issue now? Oh, one square brackets, one more square bracket. Oh, comma is missing. Yeah. So two-dimensional array is working. And we need 0, 1 for the x-axis and 0 y-axis. Axis. Yeah. And now we use plt point plot 1, 2 and 1, 2. And it should be red. Let's do it again. Perfect. Now, two different color in one, in one graph. Okay. What else? Hello to the one who joined. Feel free to vote or write any suggestions in the chat. But from that, let me do it like this. Color map. For I in range 100, I plus 1, I plus 1, green. Oh, I need a colon and an indentation here. Equals color map I. Now, let me see. Yeah, this is a color map. Perfect. Now let me use something else like plus. Now this should be black to white. Yeah, it goes black to white. Perfect. That's what we are talking about. Now let's do it more interesting. P point sinus. Sinus of and let's do it divided by 10 divided by 10. This looks cool. Still interesting. Okay. Not what I intentionally wanted. But it doesn't make it bad either, so... Oh, I'm sorry. Kind of drank too much coffee, which makes me... Yeah, kind of feeling different, but in a different way, yes. Okay, color map. Ah, I get it. This no NP. Ah. We only need one like this one. I and I. I plus. No, not like this. Yeah, what I do, I want to do smaller steps like I plus 1 and NPI. NP sinus of I. And NP point sinus of I plus 1, like this. Oh, yeah, wrong. Not square brackets. I can't see them anymore. I need glasses. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Now, what I also wanted is, let's move them, but not now. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay. Okay. 1 second, and hello to the one who joined. Attending some, Matplotlib today, like always. Doing a lot of Matplotlib, but yeah, that's because I like Matplotlib. I always want to add Matplotlib, and I don't know how much I called Matplotlib, but yeah, Matplotlib is cool. So, hello to the ones who joined, doing some Matplotlib, trying C mapping. Now what I want to do is, I want to divide this by 1, also this divided by 1. But this should be in, no, not that kind of brackets, that kind of brackets. Okay, if we now run it, yeah, it still looks bad. Why does it look that bad? Ah, I get it. I maybe get it. Why it looks that bad. So let me try something else, like while I num equals 100, while num Oh, this is really noobish, but num oh no, let's do the old loop. EIN let's say something like np point line space 0 1 or 0 10 and 100. Let's call it spacey space equals np point a line space like this. And yeah, maybe today is not my lucky day. I'm still feeling sleepy. But anyways, shouldn't keep me from doing something and watching something. Okay. No. I'm completely sounding like I lost my mind. But living without in mind doesn't sound that bad. Okay. What could I try? Always try. I'm so sorry. Hello to the one who joined. Please tell me what I could cover. So for I in range 100, thing like I plus 1 and sinus from spacey 1 and np sinus from spacey space 1 plus 1. And yeah. Guess there's one bracket too much. Yeah, this looks better. Stop. NP point line space. Why am I adding square brackets? I'm really too tired today. Index 1. Then in 99. Yeah, here we go. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about all the time. Now I want to animate it. So plt point pause, and I really want to animate it. The legs that's heading into white space. So what could I add? First plt point pause, 1 second. Let's say 0.1. I want to delete the previous one, so let me see, PL equals L point remove and plt point pause. In range. How does that work? Still learning. So what I did was something like this. Okay. Now if I want to plot that, t-point plot 1, 2, 3, like this. Yeah, it looks like that. Can I overwrite that? Plt point remove A. Okay, no, this is not possible. So let's do something kind of another chart like bar. T-point bar. First the labels, then the values. And then while true. Or for E in range for E in spacey space. Color equals red, green, not green, blue, and 0 or 1, 1, and I. Let's try this out. Oh, I forgot to do plt point pause, 0.1. Okay, it doesn't change. Oh yeah, it changes. As you can see here. Let's try it even faster like this. I do it like this. This is pretty fun. So I, and one minus I, one minus I, and one minus I. Okay, this is cool. I accidentally got the colors of Germany, but this wasn't even my intention. Anyways. Hello to the viewer who joined. So yeah, pygame is still wanted, so let's do some pygame after this. Okay, what can we do regarding pygame? Formulas, main objects, main. If people want pygame. There's still much I can do. So just feel free to ask me anything. I will try to answer it. And hello to the one loves the stream, man. Thank you. Since when are you watching? To Deluxy. Hello to Deluxy, how are you? Yeah, what do you want me to do? Pygame or Matplotlib? I can do anything. Just write your wish and I can try to make it true. Okay, what can we do? Pygame or Matplotlib? Oh, Pygame is okay. So yeah, Pygame is wanted. People want Pygame, so let's do Pygame. This one's the main in Pygame. And I maybe got something wrong. But what did I get wrong? Function missing one argument. Ah, here we go, level generator. Draw a circle. Yes, so main. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, the stream, as you can program for yourself while watching the stream. I could also do Matplotlib, a live tutorial like this. But yeah, I guess mostly want Pygame at the moment, so let's do some Pygame. And yes, I'm a little bit slower today because I'm still feeling pretty sleepy. That's just based on the fact that I didn't catch much sleep last night. Okay. So okay, here's a new enemy type, but the boss is missing. So yeah, now let's see, why is the boss missing? Level generator enemy list. Generate size factor basic functions. Plus multiplied with 100. Oh, maybe he just spawned outside the level. Yeah, I'm totally dead. But now he's spawning. So maybe the X and Y coordinates were really badly set. Okay. Now, I'm from Germany. Where are you from? And thanks for subscribing, if you were the one who subscribed lately. Because someone... Ah, yes, thank you for subscribing. Yeah, in Germany it's actually 2 a.m. Which is, I would call it not low, but yeah, much earlier. Hello to the next one who joined. Yeah, I'm doing some Matplotlib pygame I'm doing. Yeah. Trying to... What was my... Yeah. Yeah, I want to generate the level generator. Wow. I'm sorry. So now for wall. Do we have something like clock non act equals 1? So if act equals 1 for I in range 10, pygame.raw circle. What was that again? I'm from Denmark. Yeah, I kind of try to do a live stream every night, but yeah, they are not that long. Sometimes I want to do a I'm still planning a live stream about 10 hours one day. But yeah, oh, I'm losing my voice. Yeah, could be worse. I mean that voice losing stuff. But yeah. Anyways. But Denmark is cool. I was there when I was 4 years old, but really cool memories. I was in Legoland. Even though that I were only 4 years old, but I still can remember Legoland. Yeah. So what does a circle want? Surface color equals 200 plus random point rand int to 55. This goes for every color. one missing argument. Pause. X. Okay, yeah, I still need coordinates. So how do I kind of try to finding out? And thank you to the next one who subscribed. Now I'm getting much subscribers, which is really cool. Okay, wanna know how to draw the circle color? 200 plus, 200 plus. Position. Center equals 0. Let's say 33, 33. I'm still testing. And radius equals 10 without the R. Ah, here is the rectangle, yes. Perfect, so let's do it more like this. Center equals, let's say, I'm really sorry that I have to moan this often. Yeah. I'm still really sleepy, but I wanna solve something and get the boss room definitely done, and want even to implement usable and equipable items. So yeah, let's do that. Center equals random point rand int 1 to 10, 1 to 5, applied with 100. And also random rand int 5 to 100. This is a cool boss room. This is really a cool boss room. Didn't even, yeah. The best stuff is when you're finding out when you're doing mistakes. So we don't need this. Pass. And yeah. Random. Color equals this one. Ah, maybe I should do it. Pygame point circle. A circle. Okay, where is the max? So let's do it like 10 and 10. pretty too much, so for you in range 5. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Still looks awesome in my opinion. Yeah, I can totally do that. Background music for streaming. One second. Okay, this may be a little bit too loud. Guess that's better. Please tell me, is that too loud? Yeah, it's copyright free. I will even post it now in the new. We'll even post it here. Video edit. Music used. Save. I just give in 2 hours for streaming. Okay, and I need to credit this. Also need 1 second here. Okay, this one should do it. Now I got 12 hours of music. So, hello Whiskey, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Pretty cool to see you again. I already added the first boss. So let's do that like... Okay, not here. But here. Okay, so I want to draw this after the item. Enemy screen lit. Here's the logo. So again. Here we go. Of course I will die. You're dead. But this is fine. Because I need this to get at... Where do I have it? If player. If player 1 level... No. No. Is greater than, let's say, 4. Not in. So again, now we have simply the old game. As you can see here. I'm not good cause I cannot do my task programming at job and they will see me stupid. What about you? If you want, we can do it in the stream. If you need any help regarding your task, you can just post it and we can kind of try it in the stream. You can feel pretty free to just post anything and we could try it. I mean, that's why we are doing the stream. I'm happy to help anyone out. And if I won't know it, maybe some other viewer will know it. Or will maybe will be able to help. So feel free to ask. And I guess anyone is eager to find help or to help you. Okay, let me just test this. Test this. So you can post your tasks just in the chat, anything you have, anything you need help with, we can try it. Okay, we got the triple level here. Just tell me what to do and we can try it. So yeah, let's solve the triple level. Okay, now another level. We are level 2, but we got these low level enemy types, only the block ones. Yeah, why am I doing this? I try to reach to level 5 to see if here we are, have new enemy types. To see if when we finally reach level 5, if we can fight the Blob King. And if he will, if the effects are still working as they are supposed to be. So yeah. In Perl language. Slicing algorithm for 3D objects. So you are game developing, or where do we have the 3D objects? And is slicing kind of comparable to the slicing in Numpy or completely different? Maybe if this is pretty much the same, I could help. Otherwise I don't, as you can see, I'm not eager with game developing. But maybe other viewers can help, so I will just do something like 1 second. Oh, here's the boss room. I will write a message asking for help. Second. So, because I have to admit I don't know the issue, but maybe other ones know. So, at the least thing I can do is write a new text. If this is okay, if you don't want me to have this message, just write it in the chat and I will delete this, but yeah, that's the least thing I can do, I guess. Because I'm not that familiar with Perl. But maybe other viewers are, and other viewers can help you with Perl. So yeah, let's try our best. Okay, the boss room works. Now, what I'm trying to do is I want to create a new weapon type. A new type which is a weapon. Ah, for a 3D printer. Oh, this sounds challenging. Nothing I could accomplish. But yeah, maybe someone can. Do you have some context regarding that? If I, for example, have an IT problem, I have still people who are kind of, yeah, masters in their own way and will always help me. So contexts are really important if you are doing programming jobs. And hello to the viewer who joined. We are doing pygame. Already implemented a boss. Now I wanna do is I wanna add an item. Like, let's do that smaller. I'm sorry. So what could a blob drop? Maybe the blob sword. Yeah, it should be a sword because we are. Yeah, it should be the blob sword. PNG blob sword, and the blob sword will look like this. I will show you. By the way, what is this? What is this eldritch abomination you can see there? Pretty eldritch looking, but yeah, what is that? I mean, what does it? Can it eat? Can it hear? Let me delete blob sword. So I want to, what am I doing? I want to implement two new things, two new stuffs. First one is I want to implement equipable items like a sword. You can see here, this will be the sword. You see I'm like an artist of my own. And I already implemented the first boss, and the boss should drop this item. And then I should make this item equipable. So pretty simple. And what I want to create now, sorry, is I first want to drop an item. So want and look if the item works. So item, let's say class equipable item yes, this should be from item, and equipable should have place self point place and am I doing some def init? I'm stupid. Def init. Yeah, it's pretty late for me. That's why I'm doing these mistakes. Yeah, items already getting. I don't know if you know that I already implemented an inventory. Now I'm getting items, and I still want to get, because this is a roguelike procedural generated items, I can maybe do a roadmap, but yeah, I guess with the item drop I will stop, and maybe switch to C++. I don't know it yet, but maybe I will switch to C++. Let's see how this will end. Okay, so place. Place refers to if you are equipping it to the head or the shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Yeah, this was a bad one. And yeah, self point place and self point equipped equals false. And it should have the function equip, def equip, self point equipped equals true. Pretty simple stuff. But I guess because I'm already over an hour into gaming, into programming, not drank even a single coffee yet, I get myself my last coffee for today, and then I will return programming. So let me just add, I'm sorry that I need to pause, but yeah, totally sleepy, need another coffee. I will hurry again, coffee break to 31, not 41, 31. Be right back. Maybe I stick as long to pygame as possible. Okay, see you soon. Hello, I'm sorry. Now I'm vandalizing my own place because I'm kind of clumsy today. And yeah, sorry for the longer break. But I needed that. Couldn't even speak anymore because I kind of lost my voice. And I needed to drink something else than just coffee. Okay, did I delete the white thing? Yes. Okay. What else? The music is still playing, I hope. Video, background music. Where's the music? Delete it. Yeah, I will add the music again. Or is there music? 1 second, let me check. No, no music. So I hope this isn't too loud. If it is, tell me. Or if it is annoying. But it was wished by before. So yeah. Here we go with new music. And yeah. Pygame. So self place equipable. And we have attributes. Self, or let me say class sword is an equipable. Def in itself, self point place equals hands, hand, and self point equipped equals false. No, this should be part of the, yeah, you know. So I don't need to get that. Hello, by the way, to the one who joined. We're doing Pygame. But if you can't, for example, have anything else or can help Whiskey, please tell us. And yeah, where am I? Let me have a quick check. Sorry. Yeah, unfortunately, not that much impressions left, but yeah, details. Let's do something like Pygame. That's the description. And where am I? Yeah, here we go. Okay. So items. Blob. Sword image equals image point load. Sword PNG. No. Point image equals image damage lobsword img and save point damage equals 2. We have our equip function again. Def equip self, and we need a player. Player and player point HP. Player point attack damage plus equals. If not equip, self point equipped. Plus equals 2. Now we need something in the inventory, like inventory items, self point, hands equals false. And yeah, why am we doing that? We need to make sure that we can't equip items more than once. So that's why we're simply doing it like this. So it has some purpose. It serves some purpose. At least in some way. Which is kind of important. Okay. So self hands point false. Now back to the item. And player point and player point inventory point hands equals false. Player point inventory point hands equals true. Self point equipped equals false equals true. And now we need the function unequip. Def unequip. If self point equipped and player point self point equipped equals false. Player point attack damage minus equals 2. Player point inventory point hands equals false. Yes. Something like this. Maybe I should use the same synchro, because it's not kind of synchro. It's here we get first attack damage and here we get it's a second one, but I guess it doesn't matter really, to be honest. Okay. Simple case. Now, what else can we do? What could we also do? No. If I got an idea how we can let him drop. You're totally right, buddy. You're 100% right in that case. Plus equals self damage. I'm sorry, you're totally right. And this should be equals 2 by default and damage. Yeah. Because with this function I want to also create randomly generated items. Yeah. So now let's see. Inventory. Here's the inventory. Point mouse button. Okay. Equals health potion. Okay, self point equals health potion is if item point name equals. Oh, why didn't he copy that? I want to do, okay, like this. Elif item item place self point let's say self point use equals self point with health potion consumable. Self point use equals use equals consume and self points use equals equip. No, where was it? Here. Item point use equals consume elif. No. And self if item point use equals, I don't know, maybe. Hello to the users who joined. We're doing some pygame at the moment. If you want me to do other stuff, just use the poll system. And yeah, you're welcome. Or you can even help Whiskey maybe with this problem. And yeah, I kind of lost my voice, but I will never stop talking. With that in mind, yeah, feel free. You can also make suggestions regarding my code. Yeah, where was I? Item point use equals equip or equip. I have a really bad short-term memory. It is equip, so okay, main point equip, inventory equip, item point equip, And how can I see if it is equipped? 1 second. I wanna check that. And hello to all the viewers who joined. Yeah, so what I will do if I run the game, it should simply spawn a sword now. Really should that as soon as possible. So yeah, hopefully this will get done soon. And the time is running away pretty fast, but I like that. I love the taste of coffee. Fresh coffee is the perfect. What's the perfect? It's the best, the very best. Yeah, and thank you for voting for pygame. So it's obvious we are doing today is another pygame. Let me just enter pawn. Okay, item point equip if we equip it. So if if pygame point, if item point use equals equip and item point equipped equals else, let's say it's blue. Okay, now let's try it. Oh, we need to spawn one. So main health potion. Okay. Basic functions. Here we go. Save way, items. Generate item list. Item list plus equals. Import. Enemies. Items. Okay, I have all items imported, so do something like this. And yeah. It's 5 AM. Oh. Yeah, here it is 3 AM. Pretty late. But not that late, but still makes you feeling tired pretty easily. Yeah. Really easy to get tired, but okay, where was I? Item, health potion, X random, so plus equals sword. How was the item name? Main formulas, images. Item sword, yes, sword should be uppercase, by the way. So basic function is sword plus equals sword. Okay. Too much brackets or why? Sword. Basic functions. Okay, maybe I need to use super. Main. Inventory. Items. So. Okay. Like this. I need to use this, I guess. X, Y, like in this case, and third X, Y, and 1 comma is 1 comma too much. Okay, I need to delete this. Okay, now again and again, main. Basic function here it was. Okay, I'm totally stupid. Sorry for that. No, still anyone there, by the way? Because it says there's only, okay. There's only one viewer, but I guess it's just the live who is live and who not. So yeah, where was I? Item list equals nothing. Sword. Okay, if I know one main. Main. Where's image? Item equals image equals blobs word image. This one first. Oh no, more like this. None. If not image save point image equals blobs word image else set point image equals image. I get it. Should be called image. Image. Here we go. And there's this word, or we can equip it. Here we go. Hope you can see that because it's pretty small, or you can't even see that. So let me show you. Here we go. Now we can reach the sword. We reach it. We kill these enemies. And yeah, here we have it. And we kind of crashed it. That's perfect. Not. Anyways. So how can we uncrash it? Okay, uncrash is a terrible word, but player, equip. Player. Inventory. Player. Still, the item image is pretty horrible. Now let's try to equip it again. Yeah, we equipped it, but yeah. Still aren't able to unequip it. So let's try to unequip it. Before I'm falling asleep right next to my keyboard, let's try to unequip it. It's pretty late. But I don't care now, I want to see how to unequip it. Okay, so first of all I need to kind of make a new picture, because this one is bad. Okay, sorry for the waiting, but I wanted to make a new picture. 1 second. No. I will be there for you soon. I'm trying to do some, as you can see, it's totally stupid. I'm trying to generate an image of a sword, you call it sword. You should call it sword if you're not totally retarded. Here we go. Save. Now this looks better. Save, yeah, I want to. So yeah, you will see what I'm referring to really soon. Really soon. I promise. I totally promise. Like a promise. I promise you. Or if I'm talking too annoying, please tell me, I can shut up. Shouldn't be an issue. I promise I will shut it up then. Alright, so now, yeah, we have a new sword. Here we go. Now if I equip it, yeah. But it shouldn't be like this. Yeah. You shouldn't mind that. Oh no. I accidentally threw everything away from my desk. This would have been a mess. Total mess. Okay. I will solve that before falling asleep. So it consume player. Equip. If, sorry, item point equipped. Item unequip. item point equip player and still need to draw the picture. So let me here's a now a sword was generated. Perfect. And now let's equip the sword. It's not callable. Player line 57. Not equip. No, again. Man, these are many blobs. Still no match for me. Now does it work? Yes, it works. Perfect. Now we can equip and unequip it. I hope you can see that. Next. Okay, still attribute arrow has no add. Pause. Okay. But I guess that's probably it for today. How many hours did I do stream today? Over 3. Yes, more than 3 hours. Maybe some minutes left. Some minutes I will keep on streaming. By the way, can you see the game if I'm running it? Yes, you can. But I should do it smaller anyways, because now even the sword got smaller. And I wanted something interesting. First, let me see. Let me solve the issue that you will close the game after equipping, which is not my intention, by the way. How can I get the crash? I want the game to get crashed like before, but I can't do it anyways. But I deal more damage and lose even less damage, which is pretty cool. Now again, we have a consumable. Okay. Where am I? Got invisible. Okay. Anyways, this is a bug So, next step. Next step. How do I get the error? I wanna get the error. Okay, let's try again, because I want to see where the issue is regarding regarding the error. But now it works fine. Okay. No, it didn't. Okay. So if pygame rectangle again. do I don't even get the issue? Hello to the ones who joined. Trying to solve an issue because I'm doing a roguelike pygame like this one. Trying to figure out why the game crashes after I equip something sometimes, but sometimes not. This, the equipping works, but yeah, if I got something yellow or just unused packages, which I will definitely use, I'm sorry, later. Okay. And he only gets the positional, the problem, the issue after I equipped it, because yeah. And I move the cursor around the right side of the screen. So it has to do something regarding that. Yeah. Equipping it works pretty fine, but when I move the mouse here. 48. Open inventory. Inventory 48. Huh. Object has no attribute position. Interesting. Why is the game crashing? Don't get that. Strange. This is really strange, I have to admit. Why is the game crashing? I have no idea. Oh, I'm only not even 3 hours into streaming, so I could still stream more. But I need to find this out. I wanna find this out. I'm not happy when I'm not finding this out. And yeah, everyone deserves to be happy. Position, of course, add object has no attribute position, of course the collision point event has a position, so I don't get it. I want to get it, really. Guess I won't. Shame, what a shame. I feel ashamed of myself. Like I should be ashamed. I totally should be ashamed of this pathetic use. Event type. So Let me see, I wanna see why exactly he will be here. Huh. Okay, so that's interesting. This is the forbidden zone. Yeah. Because in this zone, the does not exist. Like here it exists. Only for a short period of time. I'm not getting why it is crashing all the time. I want to solve this issue. I really do. I really, 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 really do want to solve this. Kind of feeling stupid. And feeling sleepy. Not feeling sleepy, I am sleepy. Anyways. Hello to the ones who joined. We are doing a little roguelike pygame. And I'm trying to figure out why the game is crashing here. Ah! Now I get it. If I equipped an item, so I guess I'm getting it. So here we go. Boom. Pygame has no attribute position. I guess I solved it. I didn't fix it, but I solved where the issue is original from. Okay, sounding a little bit too stupid while doing this part. So now let's say if maybe this helps, and I need to Okay, this was strange. This was a strange bug. Yeah, still. So this won't work. So of course it will crash when, yeah. Try. This is a perfect example of a try, I guess. Try. Except attribute error pass. So name no collision list is not defined. I don't get that. He's really having strange issues now. So let me see if we fix the issue with a equipable item. Yeah, and it's still equipable. Perfect. Yeah, we really need to try catch, or try and accept in this case. And yeah, hello for everyone who joined. Doing some pygame. Obviously, this is a game. If you can, maybe you can see that. Because it's a bad game, and bad games, it's hard to identify it as a game, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, so first issue solved. So how do I solve the issue with the no collision list? Why is there a no collision list? So again, I'm trying to get the no collision list error we get earlier. Maybe, but yeah, obstacles shouldn't spawn at the player, so this doesn't make any sense. But yeah, now I won't get any issues regarding the no collision list, which is strange. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I want to create a little tooltip. Tooltip means if I cover my mouse around this item, you should say the name on the right side and the color of the rarity. But maybe I will do this tomorrow. How many views do I have? Two left. I guess I will, yeah, repeat that tomorrow, and we'll go to sleep today. Maybe not, I don't know. Yeah, I guess I will go to sleep early today. And by that I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time. Whatever is time it is in your country, I'm totally sleepy and need to sleep. I hope, to Whiskey, I hope you will get your problem fixed. And yeah, you can write me a private message maybe. Maybe I find someone, but yeah. For everyone else, hopefully see you in the next stream. Have a nice evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is there. See you and bye bye. Oh no, wait. Maybe I have an idea. I will end the stream a little bit later, because maybe I get a cool idea while I'm eating my last meal for today. I get the feeling that I'm not finished. Shouldn't finish now. Don't know why I get the feeling. So how can I? Okay. I will get myself something to eat, I guess. Then we will continue a little bit. Yeah. That sounds like a nice plan. Okay, I already fell asleep, so I'm... Oh, now we can try something else. Okay. One last... But I guess I will now finish because I'm totally sleeping. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time now finally. See you hopefully in the next stream. Bye bye.